Hello, Block 2 students. Today is Monday, April 6th. I hope you are all doing well. This is Mrs. Moram right here. And what I'd like you to do today is on a piece of paper to make a Venn diagram. So a Venn diagram, as a quick review, is something that looks like this. We're going to have one circle, and it doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but one circle I'm doing in yellow, and the other circle, and you can do whatever colors you want to, I'm going to do in blue. And what I'd like you to do is I would like you today to compare 2D to 3D shapes. So for example, if I was going to be talking about two-dimensional, that means just length and width. Okay, so for example here, an example of a 2D shape could be a rectangle. Okay, an example of a 3D shape from the video we watched from Mrs. McDermott. A cone could be an example of a 3D shape. If I'm thinking about things that they have, so the part in the yellow is going to be things that are true just about 2D shapes. The part in the blue is going to be things that are true of just 3D shapes. And this middle section in red and blue together make green, so I'm just going to color in this part. The part that is in common with both of them are things that are true for both of them. Okay, so I might say, for example, both 2D and 3D shapes are going to have a height in them. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is on a piece of paper today, after you've done the Kahoot that is assigned, I would like you to make a Venn diagram like this. It could be on a Google Doc, it could be on a Google slide, it could be something on a piece of paper, and I'd like you to share it with me at my email address. So you could, if you do a Google Doc, you could share it directly with me, cynthia.moram@isd832.net. Or if you have a phone, you could take a picture of it and you could email it to me also. So just comparing two-dimensional shapes to three-dimensional shapes, how they are different from each other and how they are the same. Hope you all are doing well, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.